Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through and here's a guide on how to request a refund from Apple App Store. So to get started with the step-by-step guide on how you can easily request a refund from your Apple App Store. So the first thing to do is to go to the refund website page. So open your browser, then type in the refund web page site for the Apple Store, which is reportaproblem.apple.com. Then you can also copy if you have the access. They'll check the comment section to have the link to the website, or you can just type it out from the video notepad. Then log in into with your Apple ID. Then use the Apple ID you use to purchase the app or subscription. Then find the item you want to refund. Then you will see a list of recent purchases. Locate the app, subscription, or in-app purchase you want to refund. You want a refund for. Then click report a problem. Then beside the item, click the report a problem button. Then choose your issue type from the drop down. Select a reason and such as I didn't mean to purchase this. The item didn't work as expected. I didn't receive the items. Then submit your request, and after selecting the reason and add any necessary explanation and click submit. Then wait for Apple's response. Apple usually replies within 20 to 48 hours via your email, and refund can take a few days to process depending on your payment method. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.